Hello teacher, I'm Alvis and at this moment I'm going to expose about the vowel sounds. First, this E. E. For example, heat. Heat. The other is this. E. E. For example, meat. Meat. Or eat. Eat. The other. This. U. U. For example, book. Book. Or the other, cook. Cook. The other is this. Ooh. Ooh. For example, you. You. Other. To. To. The other. This. E. E. For example, egg. Egg. The other. This. Eh. 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 For example, de. 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 The other. This. For example, word. Word. Or first. First. The other. This. This. Oh. 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 For example, or. For. For. The other. This. Ah. 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 For example, cat. Cat. Or flat. Flat. The other. This. Ah. 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 For example, cap. Cap. Other. Pat. Pat. The other. This. For example, part. 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 The other. This. O. 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 For example, got. 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 That's all. This is the vowel sounds. That's all, miss. Thank you.